guys, welcome back to 365 Days of SEO. This is Christian Bullock. Today we're talking about a link building technique that could be something that can really help supercharge that domain and page authority for your website. And that is targeting .edu websites for links. So whenever we talk about .edu domains, obviously they are university and school websites. And naturally you'd think, well, it'd be probably pretty tough for me to get my own website into an academia type page. But that's sometimes not the case, whereas professors of different topics have resource pages in which they want to list every single resource possible based on any topic or whatever subject that they're studying. So there are some opportunities for you to potentially get some links from a .edu domain. And those domains hold great weight, right? They're established, they've been around a very long time, there's lots of links to them, so naturally they have really high domain and page authority scores. So getting a link from those websites or domains is something you should really try to do. So how can you do that? Well, I have a quick little tip for you to be able to look for any .edu page that has a certain keyword phrase in it for you to help kind of scrape the web and see what pages out there are pages that you can look to target. So if you go to Google, you type in site, it's a site query, or a search operator, sorry. But if you type in site:/space .edu space, and then your keyword target, whether it's a phrase of which you want to put into quotes, like bird watching, or if it's just, a simple one-word keyword, once you do that, Google will show you a list of results that have to do only with .edu domains that have that keyword target or word in the page. So again, as you do that, you see all those results, start rifling through those and seeing, are there any opportunities here? Is this more or less a page you can't get a link from, or maybe it's a professor resource page, or maybe just a general resource page, etc. Once you can kind of go through all those, start making a note of which ones might make some sense. If you have a piece of content that makes a lot of sense for you to, look and see some contact details and who you can contact and see if you could get a link to your webpage about whatever resource, great. If not, it's actually really a great way for you to figure out and get some ideas rolling in terms of what type of content you want to create. Because if you can kind of see the type of content that maybe a page is already linking to, you can kind of, it's called the skyscraper technique, but essentially you can see what content they're linking to, that type of content, build something even better and greater, and then once you have that built, go back to that web page, get that contact information, and let that person know, hey, I've got a really piece of great content that you'd really find useful. Again, that's how you can target .edu pages for links. I'll have that search operator in the blog post as well as in this YouTube description. My name is Christian Bullock, 365daysofseo.com. We'll see you guys tomorrow.